Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Thank you for subscribing to our indicator, those who are newly subscribed. And this video will be one of the training session for you. So, whoever has subscribed to indicator, please watch this video till the end. And whenever you are having a doubt, please rewind this video and watch it again and again. So now what is the process? How to use this indicator on any script. So this indicator is designed in such a way that it can be used across the global level, which means you can use the same indicator for all the script which are available in the entire world. It not only for Indian market, it is designed for all the world market also. So it is very simple to use this indicator. So let me explain you the simple method. So as you all know, this indicator is based on the 4-line strategy, which is nothing but the demand and supply zone. Demand and supply zone. So now come here, the top 2 line is the supply zone, the bottom 2 line is the demand zone. What you have to do, immediately when the market has opened or whenever you want to trade that day, come here and select the middle button. This is the settings icon, looks like an engine. Click on it and come down here at the bottom left side. You can see default, reset settings and save as default. So you can see this. Come here and give reset settings. That's all. Once this is done, what you have to do, you have to wait for the market to settle down. Either market has to come down and touch the bottom side or it has to go and touch the upper side. If it is coming down to bottom side first, you have to take the buy entry. See here, it is clearly mentioned over here as buy. And here it is also mentioned here as sell, which means what? When the market has come down to this position, which means our buy has been activated, the bottom second line, that is second sell, will be the stop loss, and immediately market has to reverse and it will give the target. If it is not reversing from the after the buy entry, it has to go back. Again there is a possibility that it will reverse. Again if it is not reversing, it will go further and our SL will be hit. If SL hit, it will go further, which means what? Our second sell will be activated. So we have to book the profit here and we have to exit from the market. This is very simple method. You don't have to worry about it. So let me show you what happened yesterday. So yesterday market has opened here. Let me show you by running the market again. So here market has just opened. It has opened gap down. Okay, and immediately our lines got formed. Our first buy also got activated. Our first buy got activated. So now what we have to do? Come here. Once the buy or sell is activated, come here. If buy activated, enable the first buy and first buy targets. First buy entry is also there by default. You have to just enable first buy targets, and the second sell will be your stop loss for the first buy entry. If a sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Okay, so now first buy has been activated. We are waiting for the target. It is about to reach our stop loss, but stop loss is safe till then. So let us see whether we will get the target or not. It is reversing from our buy zone, and exactly our first target has been hit. First target has been hit perfectly. There is no issue at all. And it is coming back again. If it is coming back again it has to take support from our buy zone. Again it is coming down, but market has been closed. Market time got over. So now, if you see what I have given one more techniques, see there is a gap down in the market, and also the first candle is a red candle, and the low of that candle also broken. In such cases, what you can do, instead of keeping in day time frame, here you can choose 2D, two-dimensional entry. See here, either you can keep in 2D or sometime you can keep it in 3D. So now perfectly we got the entry little later. So by default we have to trade in a default settings only in the cases where gap down or gap up has happened. If it is gap down, the first candle should be a red candle. In such cases you can extend the entry to either 2D or 3D. Similarly, when the first candle is when the gap up has happened and the first candle is a green candle, then you can choose 2D or 3D for the sell entry. So this is how we have to trade in this market. It is very simple. So what you have to do, please practice the options whatever I have given here. One by one you can use it. And another method is you just enable the trend zone and MST buy sell and sell signal. So whatever the signal comes, based on this you can trade. So there is a disturbance outside my house. The garbage vehicle has come, so I will stop the recording now itself. So I will release one more video how to use our MST trend zone and buy and sell signal. Thank you all. If you are not subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe and share to all your friends.